Look. Woo! What's this?
Do I have to hold it down?
No, you just press it once. Hello there.
Look, he's on my camera.
You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You want to touch him? You sure?
Are you coming? Hi.
You want to touch him a little bit?
Hi.
Andrew, come here. Come here. Woo! He is not going to hurt you. Do you want to put out your finger? See if he'll jump on it? No?
Am I blocking everybody's way?
You see his big tongue? Yeah. Where's he going to go? Where's he going to go? Yeah, he's going to go over there?
Mama's down there, Kira.
Go over there? Say bye-bye, Birdie. He's going to fly. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No, maybe not?
Bye-bye. Fly.
Well, he's still got something in his mouth, so I guess he's going to stay for a while.
There he goes.
That's it.
Bye-bye.
Say bye, Birdie.
Bye-bye, Tony. Bye-bye, Tony.
Say bye-bye. Look, Granny still got one.
I like